Hello, Jackie here to talk about Discovery K12. Thank you for visiting my channel because of my high-tech graphics. But in all seriousness, I have 4 children. I have a grade schooler, elementary school, 2 middle school, and a high schooler. And off and on, we use Discovery K12 to supplement what we do for other things. But some of you have asked me, what is Discovery K12? Well, Discovery K12 is not to be confused with the corporate version K12 Incorporated. Okay, so I know there's some confusion about that. Thank you, by the way. Someone had asked me questions about that. I will make another video about that later. Currently, Discovery K12 is a free online curriculum to help you school your child at home. There are other versions and other different curriculum, if you will, curricula, that it's free and it's for your children. Most of them are elementary age, but this one goes all the way to 12th grade. And what I have always loved most about Discovery K12 is the parent-teacher portal, the PTA, the parent teacher account. And actually I'm in it right now. I'm not going to share my screen because it does have my children's personal information on it. But when I did my information, I put my name in there and I put in my children. And what's so great is year after year, you can continue to use it. And actually right now I'm in the portal. So you log in, or just visualize with me. You log in and then I go to on the right at the very bottom of the top section says change grade levels. My kids have now advanced to the next grade. So then on that page, there's a paragraph in the middle. It says parent teacher screen. So I'm going there and I'm looking at my kids. I've changed 2 of the 4. So I'm going to the next one. I click on edit student. So simple. I click on a drop down and I am going to adjust my child's grade, click update. And I'm going to repeat the same thing. Change grade level, go to my parent teacher screen, go to my next student, edit student, go to the level, update, and it saves it. That's it. So simple, so easy. The next part you can't see, I'm so sorry, is there is quizzes, test answers, the weekly spelling lists, and then 1, 2, 3, there's 4 sections down, certificates and diplomas. Remember, a diploma is just a real pretty certificate. The more important part is the next one, transcripts. Are you a homeschooling parent and you want help to make a transcript? If anything, just get the parent teacher account for transcripts only. Maybe you don't use this curriculum. Maybe it's not going to work for you, but the transcripts has been my favorite. I've looked at templates. Believe me, I do desktop publishing. I do page layouts. I know how to use Word and Excel. I mean, I'm really advanced at all the applications online. I could do my own, but it's been a pain. Absolutely a thorn in my side. So you can see I'm pretty passionate about it. So I'm going to click on one of my, so I clicked on transcripts. Now I'm clicking on one of my students. And at the top, I can pick the school year. So this is, let's go to last year. Let's say we wanted to have last year's transcript. You pick on the different semesters. Here's semester 1 or 2. Some people do quarters. So you do 1, 2, 3, or 4. You can do the end of the year. And then you pick, let me pick one. There we go. And then I pick your credits per course. So if your courses are 0.25 credits, especially transcripts are mainly, by the way, I wasn't listening to my friends when they told me. So I'm that parent that's, kindergarten through 5th grade, 6th to 7th and 8th grade, must be all this stuff documented and all this stuff rigid. You don't have to do that really until high school. Once the colleges, the employers, the, military, whatever, they want the high school transcript. So let me encourage you, parents that are like me, type A and very OCD or whatever. Okay, let me continue. So give the visual here. The year, the semester, the credits. When you go down, it has the student's name. If I needed to, like now it just has a first name, last name. Let's say I wanted the middle name, so I could just add that in there. The grade level, so it reminds what the grade level is for that school year, because maybe I didn't have it in the system, so it doesn't pre-populate that part. And then it has pre-populated courses, reading, language arts, math, history, science, visual arts, and then it has other, so you can actually add your own. So you have a course, you have the grade, and you have the credit. That's all you really need. The teacher name would be nice, but you don't have to have that. And then there's extra curriculum things. They have some stuff again pre-populated in here, and you can choose. After that, you can put the number of core courses that were taken and the GPA for that, the number of extracurricular or electives, and what the GPA is for that, and then maybe the total, because the way the credits are for the way that it's weighted, basically. Standardized tests, maybe you did some kind of testing for your child, you can add that in there, and you can do comments. So sometimes I say my child was in basketball or gymnastics or played the saxophone or just something that includes in there, or the child advanced and grew exponentially in math, from struggling to mastery, or you can put anything in there you want. You can hit create transcript and you get a transcript. Okay, clearly I love this. I don't have to go more and longer about this, but if you have any more questions, please drop them down below. I can make more videos and help explain, and maybe I can get this where I can have a dummy student, if you will, and show this more, but I didn't want to show my family's personal information anymore, and as they get older and get closer to college. So please know, I personally have used this curriculum. I trust it. And I am also that parent that is very nerdy about sticking to the laws of my state, doing things legal, making sure my paperwork is in order. I'm hoping my kids go to college, but if they don't, at least I have got their paperwork in order for wherever they go and whatever they do. That's my responsibility as a parent. So parents, breathe. Know that a diploma is just a pretty certificate. What's important is a transcript, and Discovery K12 has that ability to help you. The other thing is the curriculum. Now, as far as the curriculum is concerned, you I know there's some areas we liked. Actually, I love their art. I always liked the art curriculum in there. I'm currently in the parent-teacher account, so actually, I'll make a separate video on curriculum. Thank you. I hope you have some information now about this and it was helpful. Again, put your questions down below. It helps me. Hit subscribe and we can connect and I can help support you. So you're not alone. I know how that feels. Bye-bye.